Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to block orders based on a subscription product in Shopify. Using the subscription products condition, you can easily achieve that, and we'll show you how in this video. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the subscription products condition. So first, we'll search for subscription products in the search bar and select it. Click Select Elite 1 Combination to continue. In the section, you will see two options, subscription status and subscription name. If you select subscription status, the rule will apply only to products that have a subscription. If you select subscription name, the rule will be applied based on the product's subscription name. You'll then need to enter the subscription name in the input field. For this example, we will choose subscription status and choose block if found. Optionally, if you click on the Add a Condition button, you can see and use all other available conditions under this combination. For this example, we don't need any additional conditions. Now, we will add a proper error message for the customers like, "Sorry, you can't order. Please remove the subscription product from the cart." After that, click the Save button to apply your rule. This means the order will be blocked when a customer adds a subscription product in the cart. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order and the order completion is fully blocked. This happens because the customer adds a subscription product to the cart. Customers will still be able to click the Pay or Complete button at the bottom and express checkout buttons like PayPal or Google Pay, but the payment will not be completed. Now let's remove the subscription product from the cart and take a look. As you can see, the error message is gone, so now the customer can place the order again. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!